If you're thinking about sending money abroad and choosing between TapTap Send and Remitly, let's compare how each stacks up in 2025 so you can pick the one that best fits your needs. Let's start with TapTap Send. TapTap Send emphasizes low or zero transfer fees, especially in certain corridors, and very fast delivery, often to mobile wallets. Many users report that sending money through the app is quick, the interface is simple, and the fees, or lack of them, are a big plus. TapTap Send also advertises competitive exchange rates and support for transfers from countries like the US, UK, Canada, UAE, and more into Africa, Asia, and Latin America. One of its core appeals is sending from your smartphone to a mobile wallet or bank account in minutes with minimal hassle. On the flip side, while TapTap Send shines for supported routes and mobile wallet payouts, it may have limited global reach, fewer options for bank deposit or cash pickup in some countries, and mixed reviews around customer support or occasional holds or delays. Now on to Remitly. Remitly is a well-established remittance service with a broad delivery network. Bank deposits, mobile wallets, cash pickups in many destinations, and two main transfer modes: Express, fast, higher cost, and Economy, slower, cheaper. This flexibility means when your recipient's banking access is limited or you need a cash out option, Remitly often offers more choices. Additionally, because of its size and history, many users find it trusted and reliable. The trade-off is that its costs may be higher. Fees plus exchange rate markups can add up depending on payment method, delivery speed, and corridor. So, while you get reach and versatility, you might pay more compared to niche apps. Which one is better? It depends on your priorities. If you're sending money to a supported country, your recipient uses a mobile wallet, and you want lowest cost plus fastest mobile wallet delivery, TapTap Send is very attractive. If your recipient needs a bank account deposit, cash pickup, or you're sending to a country or corridor where TapTap has limited support, then Remitly is likely the better choice because of its broader infrastructure. Before you choose, always check: what's the total cost? Fee plus exchange rate? How quickly does it arrive? What delivery method your recipient can use? And whether your sending receiving country pair is well supported. In summary, TapTap Send wins for simplicity, low cost, and speed for supported mobile wallet transfers. Remitly wins for flexibility, global reach, and payout options when your recipient's situation is more complex. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more money transfer app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.